She said that she appreciates you. She said that she said, my husband,
Congratulations, bro.